Complication number 3, international travel. Physicians travel internationally for legitimate reasons like global health work, international research collaboration, like speaking at foreign medical institutions, specialty training only available in certain countries. Those can absolutely be deductible. But Congress was not naive about the personal appeals of international travel, and they built in specific additional requirements that apply, regardless of how legitimate the business purpose is. Under IRC Section 274C, even if your international trip is primarily for business, your deduction may be limited unless one of several exceptions apply. For example, the trip lasted 7 days or fewer, or you spent less than 25% of your time abroad on personal activities. If neither applies, you can only deduct the portion of your cost that corresponds to your business time. So, a 10-day trip where 4 days were personal, you're roughly losing 40% of your potential deduction, regardless of the business purpose. So, under IRC Section 274H, there's a separate requirement for foreign conventions and meetings. So, you must be able to demonstrate why the business activity needed to take place in a specific foreign location and could not have been reasonably been held in the US. So think of it like justifying a procedure to an insurance company. You don't just say, my patient needed the surgery, right? You also document why this approach, why this surgery, why this facility, why now. So IRS wants the same level of justification for why your board meeting or medical conference had to be in Costa Rica rather than a domestic city. So physicians doing genuine global health work, international research, or specialty training that only exists in a particular country, this can be well documented and defensible. But if all participants are US-based physicians and the same clinical discussion could have been discussed at a domestic academic medical center, you may have some difficult time defending the international deduction.